Priya? Jangan ngomong pakai hati, Priya. No, sorry मत बोलो प्रिया. I love you प्रिया. हाँ? तूने बोला था ना? तुम मुझे छोड़कर कहाँ जा रहे हो प्रिया? हाँ? जानते हो मोहब्बत क्या होती है प्रिया? हाँ? प्रिया? इबादत क्या होती है? जब प्यार करता है ना, यहाँ पे दिल में. Sorry मत बोलो प्रिया. No. I love you. This is how Donald Trump gives his speech. Good morning, America. This is gonna be huge if you elect me the President of the United States of America. I will build a big, huge and beautiful wall right between Mexico and USA. Just so you and I know it's gonna be terrific. By the way, China is competing with us, you know. My name is Barack Obama. I'm the President of the United States of America. When I killed Osama bin Laden, his soldier called me up and this is what he said. Is this Barack Obama? We will destroy America. Okay, do you guys watch Korean movies? One thing I like about Korean movies is that they are just too cute, you know. Everything about them is so cute. For example, the boy is shouting, the boy gave something to the girl and this is the girl's reaction. Oppa! 이쁘다 오빠! 사랑해요! 괜찮아요! I know, the boys are always so cool, you know, like me, etc. So this is the boys' reaction. 아유샤! 왜 그래? 아유 정말 몰랐어. 아유샤. Do you guys watch Thai movies? Come on, everybody. One thing about Thai people is that you cannot distinguish between a boy and a girl if you just listen to their sound. For example, the boy is shouting at the girl. And the boy will shout back at the girl in same tune, same voice. Anyone from South India? When Michael Jackson, when he dances, he do all his signature moves occupying a very small place. Do you guys know that? Just this small stage. But for South Indian people, they are not like that. They occupy too much space, you know. They will dance here, and after 2 minutes, he will be there. After 3 minutes, there. And I don't understand, you know, in such a populated country like India, where they find the space to dance. And whenever they dance, the tongue comes out automatically, you know.
Last African.
Will come as missionary. All the Naga people, come here. Let me pray for you. Come here. All of you, kneel down. Close your eyes. Hallelujah, Jesus. From the mountain to the valley, you bless them. Give them wisdom and knowledge. Okay, pay me 5,000 now. Pay me. No, I'm talking to Jesus. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I hope you all have a great time.
Johnny!
since they yell and quit watching them doing I can't even do it, man. Introduce yourself.
My name is Johnny Morgan.
I said, my name is Johnny Morgan.
My name is Otto. Popularly known as Otto Rickshaw or something like that.
Where's the bottle?
Bottle number good.
Size got up, okay, you ready? Let's spin the bottle! Johnny goes first!
Bro, get ready for that machine gun. Ready for that machine gun. Level up. You have to tell me why. You have to tell me why. You gotta tell me why. Why do you bring your gun to a laser fight? Wait, that wasn't the drop. I just got one thing to say to you. Stop the copy paste. Stop the copy paste. Say with me, please. Play with the 808. Ready for the Phoenix. It's not a copy if it's the better one. Let's roll. Get low, get low, get low, get low.
Like I said, it's not copy.